Here's how to deactivate your Facebook account on Android. Now open up the Android app on your Android phone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, whatever you have. And we need to get your settings to be able to do this. So at the very top right is that menu icon. Just tap on that and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. Now that we're in your settings, we can go to the account center to either choose to deactivate, which is temporary, or permanently delete your account. So let's tap on See More in Account Center and then Personal Details. You'll be able to see from here it says Account Ownership and Control. This is essentially where we can choose to deactivate your account. So let's tap on that and then deactivate or delete. And of course, this is for Facebook. So tap on that. Now keep in mind, it does default to deactivate, which is temporary. You can get your account back after you want to and hit continue. From here, you'll want to enter in that password. So let me just autofill my password here and hit continue. Now from here, you can just choose whatever you want here. It doesn't really matter. Let's hit continue. And then at the very bottom, instead of reactivating automatically after 7 days, I would highly recommend switching to don't reactivate automatically. This will allow you to manually reactivate if you choose to do so, and then just hit the continue button and you will have deactivated your Facebook account.